If you are looking for a sweet snack ready in only 10 minutes, these 3-ingredient cookies are for you. So to a large mixing bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. For our only wet ingredient, we are going to add 1 large egg to our peanut butter. Then followed by a 3/4 cup of sugar. If you like recipes like this, made in only 10 minutes, then now would be a good time to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Then mix all together. Line an oven-safe tray with a piece of parchment. Roll out your dough into 1-inch balls. It's okay for them to be near each other, as the cookies won't spread much in the oven. For a little design, we are going to use a fork and gently press down in one direction, then do that again in the other direction to make a grid. If you love cookies, make sure to leave a like on this video. Then bake at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, I am sure you will also enjoy the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen. So go give it a watch. Enjoy!